Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're back with another How to Create Upcycled Puppets! Yeah! Okay, we're having fun though, but we're going to do something with this little guy here. He is going to be a glove puppet because I don't see a mouth, but I see just enough room for me to get my hand in there. So we're going to figure out what he does first, and then we will take him apart. Let's see. Another Gemmy Industries here. I think I need to replace the battery. Hold on one second here. I've been doing a run of Gemmy Industries toys here. Maybe they're the manufacturer of all those fantastic little toys that we've been working with lately. There's 3 on this one. Ooh! Ew! Ew! Crusty. Oh. Oh. Okay. Now we get to put these back inside here. This may or may not work. I'm not going to hold my breath because frankly it's a little crusty on the little area there. But we're going to give it a try because that's what we do. We try, and we try again. Okay. I might be able just to do it without closing up that little door. Okay. Yeah. I don't think it's going to work. Oh, there it is. Here we go. Smooth operator. Smooth operator. All I hear is just operator. It's really low volume. But it is working. Yeah. Okay, I think that's it. Let me do it one more time just in case. Sometimes they'll have... No, same thing. Sometimes they have more songs and all that stuff, but I'll tell you what. Let's get to dismantling it. Let's get the batteries out. This is the last time that you're ever going to hear that little character sing his song. Oh, it's so sad. But that's okay. That's okay. Because we're going to turn him into a puppet, and he will live his life as a puppet until maybe later. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe we turn him into something else. Maybe we take parts from him and turn him into something else, an entirely different puppet. That could be. The fur's kind of cool, so maybe I make it into a mongoose cage toy that comes out or something like that. I don't know. But we're going to have fun dismantling him because that's what we're here to do. Make upcycled puppets. Okay, wow, there's some sophistication in there. I see that it's glued on like the other Gemmy puppets or Gemmy toys. Again, it's just a matter of going around the outside here and pulling up the little material as I lose the screw. This one always is like tied off there. I'm not sure why they do that. But I remembered one of the other ones we did just recently was tied. Oh, no. And it broke in the same spot that it did the last time too. That's weird. Okay. So, let's get this character... Oh, okay, that's where... Hold on. It was glued a little bit more than I suspected. Is that it? Yeah. There we go. Okay. Or is there more glue here? More glue there. I'm going to get it. There it goes. Okay. It's a little more sophisticated than I would imagine for such a little character. There we go. There's one arm, there's another arm, and then now it should easily remove just like that. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Okay. There was a little heart that was glowing. Oh, that was nice. But I'll tell you what, you know what? I hate to pull all that cord out. You know what I'm going to do? We're going to just... I don't know if my hand's going to fit in there, but I guess his head is going to do that, and that's about it. We made a puppet! Hey guys! We made a puppet, guys and gals. We made a puppet, and that's about it. He's got his sunglasses. I'm going to pull those down so that you can see. He is such a cool customer here because he is wearing his shades at night. Look at that. Awesome. Hey, thanks for coming along on this journey. I appreciate you coming back if you've been here with me before. If you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe and you get all the updates. And I want to thank you for coming along. This is the DIY Magician. Until next time, bye-bye. With all this stuff hanging out. And that's it. Bye-bye.